Hello everyone, welcome back for another video. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing good, hope you're doing well. Let's begin lower abs for today. Slowly, nice and easy, lie down on your back and then let's begin working. Bend your legs slowly. If you cannot hold your head, then you can lower just your head, relax your head. If you can, it's better to raise it up. We will work from our legs slowly, heel touch the floor, slowly. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8. Engage your core and lower back. 10 more. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Release. Inhale deeply. Exhale. Good job. Slowly raise your upper body. Bring your elbows on the ground. And then from here, raise your knees off the ground. Slowly we'll start opening our straight legs forward. 1 and back. 2 and back. 3. Go ahead. 4, 5, 6, 7. Good job. 8, 9. One more. 10. Back. Legs on the ground. Inhale deeply. Then exhale. We continue. Another one. Raise and let's work forward. 1. Good. 2, 3. Keep your lower back straight. 4, 5, 6, 7. Good job. 8, 9, 10. Good. Legs on the ground. Relax. Back. Lie down on your back. Exhale. Inhale again deeply. Then exhale. Good job. Go ahead. Raise your legs, bend your knees. And then from here, slowly open your knees wider a little bit. Keep your heels and toes together. And start to lower your legs forward and back. Engage your core, lower back. Feel the lower ab. 2, 3. Go ahead. 4, 5, 6. Good job. 7. Go ahead. 8, 9, 10. Back, legs on the ground. Exhale. Deep inhale. Then exhale. One more set. Raise your legs. Then open your knees towards the side. Keep your heels and toes together and let's work down and up. And 2. Good. 3. Go ahead. 4, 5. Good job. 6, 7, 8, 9. One more. 10. Back again. Okay, relax your legs. Slowly raise your upper body again. Bring your elbows on the ground. Then from here we bend our legs, raise them out. Start to open towards the side. 1 and back. 2 and back. Your heel and toe go a little bit forward and back. 4, 5, 6, 7. Go ahead. 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1. Good job. 2. Go ahead. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Relax your legs. Deep inhale and exhale. Go ahead. We continue. Bicycle. Keep holding this position. Your lower back should be straight. Try to not relax it. Left leg goes straight forward, right bended. And we start to switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1, 2, go ahead. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Release. Slowly stand up. Bring your arms on the ground. Arch with your low back. Thoracic spine, relax. Inhale deeply. Then exhale, pike your back. Good job. Back to neutral position. We start from our left leg. Left leg pointed back. Rotate your pelvis, engage your core and lower back. From here, bend your knee and flex back. 2, nice and easy. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good job. 8, slowly. 9, one more. 10. Back, switch left, right leg go back and bend your right knee towards the chest and then back. 1, 2, 3, go ahead. 4, slowly. 5, 6, 7. Good job. 8, 9, one more. 10. Good. Arms on the legs on the ground, knees on the ground, arms straight. From here, open your legs straight forward, plank position. Starting from our right side, our right arm touch your left toe. Feel your lower back, feel your lower core push up, and then back to plank position. And then again, switch side. 2. Go ahead. 3, 4. Good job. 5, 6. Awesome. 7. Full plank, engage your lower back. 8, 9. One more. 10. Good job. Again, bring your knees on the ground. We continue again with right leg back. Bring your knee towards your chest and then open back. Let's go. 1 and open. 2, 3, 4. Work slow, have good control. 5, 6, 7. Go ahead. 8, 9, 10. Switch left leg and go. 1, slowly. 2, 3, 4, 5. Go ahead. 6, 7. Good job. 8, 9, 10. Awesome. Knees on the ground. Relax your lower back. Arch a little bit. Inhale deeply. Then exhale. Pike your back. Good job. Elbows on the ground. Straight legs. Plank position. We start from our left leg. Open towards the side and back. And then right. 2. Slowly. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Knees on the ground. Release. Inhale deeply. Then exhale. Good job. Straight arms. Now, left leg open towards the side. And then from here we raise it back, bring it to the neutral position, and then back to the side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slowly feel your body. 9. One more. 10. Then open another one. Right, starting from our right, up and to the middle. Open. 2. Go ahead. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Go ahead. 8, 9. One more. 10. Good job. Release. Then inhale deeply. Relax your body. Then exhale. One more elbow plank. Elbows on the ground. Keep your legs straight. And we start pointing our toes open towards the side. 1, 2. Slowly. 3, 4. Go ahead. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1, 2, 3. Go ahead. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Release. Okay. Back. Lie down in your back. Lie down. Relax. Bring your arms under your butt. Okay. From here, slowly, just open your legs forward and back. If you cannot lower so much your legs, then you can lower how much you can. The most important thing is try to not do too low if you cannot. Go again. 2. We continue. 3, 4. Try to not arch your lower back. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 10 more. 1. We continue. 2. Go ahead. 3. Breathe. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Lie down, release. Inhale deeply. Then exhale. One more. Again, bring your palms under your butt, lock your lower back, engage, raise your legs. Then what I want from you to do next, straight legs forward, bend and raise your butt a little bit off the ground. Then back again, straight, and raise your butt. 3, 4, 5, 6. Go ahead. 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Release. Again, deep inhale and exhale. And last one. Again, palms under your butt, raise your legs straight up. Then one by one lower. 1 and 2. Go ahead. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1. Go ahead. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. That's it. Release. Again, deep inhale. Then exhale. Bring your knees together, twist towards the left side. Then switch towards the right. Stand up slowly. Bring your knees on the ground. Let's do very fast upper facing dog a little bit. 3, 2, 1, and back. That's it. Thank you for today. Nice and easy one. Take care of yourself. Peace.